Hello everyone, I'm audible.
Yes.
Okay. So, Billy, let's
Yes.
wait some more minute, then we will start. Hey, Subir, are you there? Subir? Okay, I guess he's about to join. So, guys, let's wait some more minutes, then we will start. Okay.
Yeah,
Hello, Subir. Hello.
Bhushan, am I audible to you?
Yes. Subir, you are audible.
Oh, okay, all right. Hey, Uttam, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, Subir. How about you?
Wonderful, wonderful, excellent.
Very.
We are looking for some of the more learners. So, what I will do is that, Bhushan, why don't you text them in the group or maybe in the chat on the common group, right? I have Mr. Mukul, right? Hello, Mr. Mukul. How are you? I'm not able to hear anyone voice. I have Ayat, right? Ayat Sayed. Hi Ayat, how are you? Am I audible? Ayat?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. So I have NASA also, right, today? Inshallah, how are you? I'm not getting response from anyone. Mukul. Oh, I'm Masood Hassan. You're joined from a different, right? Oh, okay. All right then. Praveen Kumar Reddy, right? You're there. Mr. Reddy, how are you?
Hi, Sabir. Hi, Sabir. How are you? Good. I'm doing good.
I'm fine. What about you?
Good, bro.
Great. You are with a very good, spec with the goggles, right? It looks very handsome.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Varda Khan, I have Wasim Iqbal. Hey, Wasim, how are you?
Yeah, good evening.
All right. Mr. Akif Hussain. Hello, Mr. Akif. Good evening.
Yes, I am not able to join on my laptop. So we need an ID and password so that we
Okay.
can join the class on laptop, not on the cell phone.
No, like you can always, Bhushan, you're there.
I don't know if
Uh,
something
no, sir.
wrong I'm doing.
Ajay is there.
Okay, Ajay, why don't you, Mr. Akif Hussain, what you can do is that just copy
Yeah,
paste that link.
I did. I did the same thing I
No,
did.
are
I
you into the
copied.
laptop at the moment?
I'm open my laptop and the cell phone and I'm trying
Okay,
to copy your meetgoogle.com.
let me ask you how to do it. I will ask you to copy paste in the browser, open up a new link, a new page on the Google
Yes,
Chrome.
I did. Yes.
Just copy paste, Control C, Control V on that. You will find it out that a new page would pop up, and you can always, uh, join from that link.
1 minute. Let me do it again.
Sure, you can share me your screen. You are a technical person. You're a director of a company. I know it very well. I mean,
Camera
you
is
can other
starting.
people
One
also.
minute. Allow notification, not now. Got it. Switch here. Okay. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Now we're do it.
Wonderful, excellent, then excellent. I mean that's called the awesome things, right? Bhushan or Ajay, you should have guided that. I have to do that, right? I will take your 1 rupee from you guys. All right. So that's a fun and a joke, and we are just waiting for a few people. Please, 1 second. Ajay, can you please ask Sudipto to join? He has pinged me that he's not able to get the link. Ajay, can you do that, please? We'll start in next 2 minutes. That's what I'm saying.
Hello, sorry, sir.
Sudipto बोस अब उनको एक बार करो, पिंग करो ये वाला लिंक.
Okay, okay, sir.
Have you done to Peter also? Guys, allow me around 2 minutes only, 2 to 3 minutes, please. I'll just do it personally, and then my apology.
I think it's fine, and it is the first class, so it will take time to settle down.
Thank you for so much for understanding, Mr. Hussain. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Thank you so much for your patience. And because couple of people were not able to join. I believe Mr. Bose and Mr. Peter, you guys are there, right?
Yes, Super.
All right, excellent. Then, so today is the one of the first class because Mr. Uttam is your trainer eventually. So before I go ahead, Mr. Uttam, can I take your permission, please?
Yes, yes, Subi. Yeah, go ahead.
All right. I do understand a lot of people are folks are 20, 24 years. Some of the people are aged than me. I'm 46. People are like around 48, 50s also. And some of the people are younger than me, but again, they're on the same age category. Some of the people like Varda Khan and Ayat, they are actually at a lesser age. But again, dynamic people can be, and the folks can be always, inculcated and in cash always. Because a lot of, new opportunity come for the new youngsters also. So just wanted to understand one basic things like I have came across a lot of things and parameters. There is something called as a 30 seconds of interview, 30 seconds of interview, or 30 seconds of introduction without any further ado, because we have around 15 or 14 people have joined. 20 to 30 seconds of introduction, in case you can help us with yours, that can actually help the batch to understand how exactly Mr. Peter knows Wasim, or Mr. Aki. No, he's a director of one of the company. He knows how Wasim. That can actually help us to have a basic understanding about the same thing. So, can we do that? one by one with the letter A we can do, or with the letter Z, that is Z. Can we do that? "30 seconds of introduction." Yeah, please, Wasim, please. With the letter Y or W. W as in Wisconsin, right? Or whiskey, as a Navy call list. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Wasim Iqbal, and by profession, I'm an engineer. Currently, I'm working as a team leader in KBR, one of the consultant for Saudi Aramco. And then I now interested to run the AI, and this is first class open. Inshallah, this will go a very good journey for all of us. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah, Mr. Sanjay Da, please. Mr. Sasodia ji. Dada, please go ahead. In case you want to come. Or anyone else. Mohan Madan has joined. Yes.
Hi, this is
Please,
Praveen
please,
with you.
Mr. Reddy. Please.
Hi.
Hi everyone, this is Praveen with you. Actually, I am a senior purchasing data analyst in e-commerce platform called Boticat in GCC, especially Kuwait from Kuwait. I work as a senior like data analyzing for all the sales and purchasing things. So I hope this class will be very benefit for all of us. So welcome you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Please, anyone else?
Okay, hi. This is Peter. Hello, everyone. So I'm basically from India, and I work as a manager in one of the banking sectors here, and I've got close to 20 plus years of experience. So I've come here to upskill myself. Thanks, all of you.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Please.
Okay, I can talk about myself now. Sorry, I was on a call.
Oh, I'm so
So, my
sorry.
name is Akif, and I have 20 years of experience in working for MNC's US-based company. I'm in Saudi Arabia right now. I'm originally from Delhi, but settled down in Canada. So, I'm a Canadian citizen, and working for plastic industry in this field. So, I'm looking forward for getting a value added from this classes.
Wonderful, wonderful, excellent, Mr. Hussain. Thank you. Please. Please, Mukul, please. No need to raise. Start. Let's start, please. Mr. Sorry, Masood Hussain. Yes, Mr. Masood Hussain, please go ahead. I believe he has raised his hand. No worries about that. Anyone else? Come on, I mean, we are all experienced professionals, right? Naza, Nayan, Praveen has done
Yes, sir.
already. Yeah, Naza, please go ahead. Anyone?
Sorry to interfere. Am I audible?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Let's ladies first, huh? Naza, please.
I'm sorry. I was just putting the headset on. I'm Najah Khisa. I'm a Lebanese educator. I'm a trainer for educational technology and AI, and I'm now nominated to be the head of STEAM education.
Wonderful, excellent then.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
I know that. I mean, we are into LinkedIn, right? Eventually.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So I have Sudipto. So please, Sudipto, please go ahead, please.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I guess I am the least experienced over here. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sudipto Bose, and I'm basically from India, Odisha. I currently work as an administrative assistant in one of the most reputed companies in Qatar, that is QCon, and I am from the F&B background. I have started my career in F&B, and now I have moved to administration part, and I am looking for upscaling my skills and upgrading myself. So I have joined this program, and I hope I will take some learnings from here and apply into my career and upgrade myself.
Wonderful. Sudipto Bose remind me Subhash Chandra Bose.
Thank you, but to be honest, we have no links.
No worries with that. Yeah, I have Mr. Khalid, sir, please. Hello, Mr. Khalid, sir, my friend. Mr. Mukul, you have raised your hand, please. Mr. Mukul, that is Mr. Masood Hussain. I'm Mr. Nayan, right?
Miss Nayan.
Oh, Oh, I'm so sorry. My apology.
No, it's okay, no problem. Myself, Nayanta
Yeah.
Rautwar from India. By profession, I'm a teacher and I'm looking forward for this course just to upgrade myself.
Oh, wonderful then. And which part of teacher you are from? I mean, what is your
I'm,
background in teaching line?
I'm a mother teacher for pre-primary and English teacher for other classes.
Oh, excellent then. All right. I have Miss Naza also. She's a mathematics teacher also. So you
Okay,
people would be very good friends then, and colleagues and peers.
Inshallah,
sure.
inshallah. Sure we will.
She has almost like 20 years of experience. She is brilliant into LinkedIn. Always, I would say that you can always learn from your peers.
Oh,
And
thank you so much. Thank you so much for this compliment.
sure,
Sure.
welcome then. Naza. Anyone else I'm missing it out? Oh, hey, Mr. Krishnamurthy, one of the vice president and one of the good friend of mine from Mumbai and from South India also. Please, please.
Hi everyone, this is Krishna here. I'm having more than 20 years of experience in the supply chain management, majorly into construction and in the real estate sector. I'm looking for this, data intelligence, artificial intelligence to upgrade my skills. I'm having more than 20 years experience in terms of
You
SAP.
have almost like 27 years of experience, to be
Yeah, yeah.
very precise. I know it.
So I'm SAP certified professional in couple of modules, and then this I learned all the other modules like in the journey in the work experience. This is another challenge I'm taking up to upgrade my skills in the data analysis. Thank
Wonderful,
you.
wonderful, excellent, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Vardha Khan, please, ma'am. Vardha Khan, please. No need to fear anyone. 30 seconds, 30 seconds का introduction है. No worries with that. If in case you don't want to speak, anyone is there who is not actually speaking right now, Mr. Masood Hassan, please. You have raised your hand since a long time. We all are professional people. 20, 25 years, 30 years. Some of the people are kids. But all right. Yes, Mr. Uttam. Oh, Mohammed Madan. I'm so sorry. How I can forget Mr. Madan, sir?
Okay.
One of the big brother of mine.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. This is Mohammed Madan from Bahrain. I'm the lead mechanical engineer working for NEOM in Saudi Arabia.
Wonderful, wonderful, sir.
Yeah, this is actually my first
I know this is
experience
the
in
first,
data
and this is the
analysis.
first class because the couple of
Yes.
classes was just an introduction and all these things. Do not
Right.
actually come across those, but yes, eventually these are the important classes. As simple as that.
Thanks. I'm not-
Just I would take okay. I'm Masood Hussain, graduate in mechanical engineering, working for 27 in oil and gas as a project. Wonderful, wonderful, sir. I know because you are also from West Bengal. Even I am from West Bengal, but you are in Saudi Arabia or Qatar, I believe, right? At the moment. Anyway, I mean, but we need to talk sometimes. Anyway, not an issue with that. Vardha Khan, you can also share your introduction. However, I mean, Mr. Akif Hussain, Mr. Any of the other professional, Mr. Wasim Iqbal, or any other, why 30 seconds of introduction is very much important. I mean, I do understand you people are at a very, very different level. Just wanted to only ask you one single questions. Why that is important? I mean, any guesses and anything in your mind? Wasim, please.
It's actually good to understand each other because we all have started a journey and we will be there for maybe next 5 6 months. So it's better to know each other, and it's also professional relation. It will build a professional relation. Like there are many who are from same background, same profession, so it can help them to even coordinate with each other outside these classes also.
Absolutely. One of the thing, very good, excellent. Anyone? I just want one person to answer that, nothing else.
I think, sorry, can I say something?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Please.
Yeah, actually, this self-introduction is like very important when you have with someone because it can set the tone for the rest of your relationship, and also it's effective to self-introduce that can help you establish credibility, build rapport, and make a positive impression, I guess.
No, absolutely. Makes sense. And it's just one of the valid point also. All right, I don't want to grab any more attention or do not want to waste anything attention towards the 30 minutes of introduction. But why a 30 minutes of introduction is very much important is that because it can grab you an attention, number one. Maybe you are at you are taking an interview for a person also. Say as an example, I am a person who's taking an interview and there is an employee who is coming from an interview, right? So I need to understand, tell me something about yourself. That doesn't mean that I'm saying about you, my which city I'm coming from, right? Where I'm coming from, where I'm hailing from, right? It's all about to grab an attention, number one. Number two, highlight a key point, which is very, very important. Make a connection also, like a personality development. And one of the most important thing is that one thing I was actually missing in a 30 point of introduction is that you should have said that why exactly, what is your forte and what is your key input. Say as an example, if in case I want to say about 30 minutes of introduction about me, I would say that, hey, I'm Subir, I'm from, from a training and development company, and I have almost like around 25 years of experience under my belt, and I'm a professional certified person. And I think that, one of the best thing is that for me is that I can develop a potential input for the future development of a company or future development. In case you are into the introduction of your training, you could have said that I think that I can be a potential person who can help to build up new projects with the help of the person who would allocate me in the training. That is Mr. Uttam, right? Or with the skills solution. We could have said that. So this is something which I was actually expecting from a lot of people. But yes, it was a really brilliant one. And I would not, without any further, vestige of my trainer's time, I will start. And please, over to you, please, Mr. Uttam, sir. Please.
Thank you, Subir. Thank you so much.
Well,
Hello, everyone. Yes, Subir, you're saying something?
You are most welcome. Please.
Okay. Thanks for me here. Definitely, I just hear about there are lots of people are coming from lots of experiences. That means they have a good understanding of a business, I believe. So welcome to all of you. And I believe this is the first time we're interacting. It's the first class. So welcome to all of you. Now, as Subi explained my that way already, so I'll be your trainer who will explain you each and everything. The journey with me will be, I believe, I'll try my best to give you each and everything, and I'll try to solve each and of your doubts. Okay. So let's come to that point directly rather than wasting more time. Now, what exactly today we'll talk about? I have an idea what exactly people are coming from and all that stuff. Let me share my screen quickly and let me know once my screen is visible to all of you. And again, guys, one more thing. Again, the thing is that you should not be worried about to ask. Okay, if you wanted to ask something, whether it's a doubt or something, no need to shy. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, just raise an hand, or without raising an hand, just unmute yourself and then ask me. And if you're facing some issue, just Write it down to the chat to understand the things, what something you're not getting it. Okay. Now let's jump into the point directly. What exactly today we'll talk about and all that stuff. Today's agenda, basically, we will start from today onwards Python programming and all that stuff. So you should not be worried about if you're coming from a tech background or non-tech background. So what you have to do, just listen to me carefully and see the screen. Okay, things will be very clear. And if you have a doubt after that, then we can talk about. Okay, now I'm directly jumping to the part of the agenda. The agenda for this today, I'm just writing over here. Agenda for today to understand Python. Not exactly Python. I'll just write it over here. Introduction to Python. First thing. Okay. Now let me just write over here. I can write a digital mode. Now what you have to just listen to me carefully. Okay. Someone started share the screen. I can see. Can you please stop sharing, Nayat? I guess you have started sharing your screen.
Sorry.
No problem. No problem. Let me pin this. No problem. Okay. Now what I am saying, this is the today's agenda. Again, today's agenda, we have multiple things to discuss. Now let me tell you the agenda, what something we will understand at the end of that session. We'll understand Python, what exactly Python is and how it works and all that stuff. Second will be why Python. Okay, why we are learning Python, what exactly Python is, how we can do it. I have shared my screen. Can't you see that? Let
No,
check it now.
no,
Tell
it's
me,
not visible for me also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
now we
I
can see.
visible? Okay. Okay. I guess people can see the screen now. Fine. Fine. Now, third point, I am writing here, first of all, agenda, what something we will learn it today. Yes, Nayat. Any
Sorry,
issue?
but I'm not getting the screen.
Okay. Okay. So let me do one thing. I am stopping the share. Let me reshare it. Okay. Let me know once it's visible. Everybody. Check it now. Is it visible now?
No, not yet.
No? Okay. It should
No,
be. See, multiple people can see the screen.
Are you logged in with your laptop or is it a phone?
it is my cell phone.
I would appreciate that in case you can log into with your phone once.
Right now, it's not possible because I'm
Sorry,
outside.
with your laptop. Sorry.
So maybe what you can do, Nayan, maybe once you do that, now maybe you have to wherever I'm speaking, at the right hand side, left hand side, you will find out wherever I'm sharing a screen. You have to pin that screen. Okay, try to do that. Maybe you will get it because everyone can see the screen now rather than you. That means because you have joined with your mobile phone, that's a different functionality. Yes, Nayan,
Okay,
check it, check it. I'm here. Don't worry about it. Yes, I can see your screen now. Huh? This is your screen. At the same time, I can see.
I'm getting the message that you are sharing your screen. It stopped.
Wait. Yes. So who is the host? So maybe they can help her how she can do it because I can pin my screen. Once I pin my screen, can you please Subir
No,
help
I'm
her?
not actually the host. Ajay is the host, but I'm not sure like how she can do
Hello,
it.
ma'am. Nan, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello.
yeah.
Please left and join again, ma'am. I think we'll resolve your issue.
Okay,
Okay.
You
okay,
can leave the meeting and then you can rejoin.
okay.
Sure.
Okay. Till then, I will stop my share once she's sharing. No, yours is still working. End the meeting. Nayan,
Yeah,
Hello.
you did not left the meeting, right?
Please click on red button. Share meeting screen once.
yes. Just a minute.
Let's wait, guys, or more 2 minutes. Then
You
we'll fix.
please continue.
No problem, no problem. Just join it. It will take 1 minute, no problem at all. Otherwise, you will miss that part, and I don't want to miss to anybody, right? No problem at all. So Ajay, please help her so she will join it
Yes, sir.
quickly. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Till then, I'm sharing my screen.
Very sorry to everyone, and now it is visible for me. Please go ahead.
Okay, cool. Cool. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
I was talking about the agenda for today. Agenda for today is nothing but introduction to Python. What is Python? Why we are learning Python? The question is why. Now we will talk about once we learn all these things. Yes, Akif, you want to say something? You are on mute. If you're not talking to me, okay, no problem. Now, the third thing we'll talk about that is called once we learn all these things, then we'll talk about variables. What exactly variables are in Python? Variables, then we'll talk about data types. Then we will talk about casting. Then we will talk about string. Then we'll talk about indexing. These are the main things we'll talk about. And again, what you have to do, these are the things we'll talk about, but not all these things. More than that, we'll talk about also. Okay. So don't think about that. These are the things we'll talk about. There are more things we'll discuss. Okay. Now, what you have to do, I'm assuming you all you don't have an understanding of programming and all that stuff. No need to worry. Okay. Just listen to me. Now, a first thing, sir, I want you to understand what exactly introduction to Python. I'm coming to this part. So the meaning of introduction to Python is nothing but what is Python, first of all. Python is nothing but it's kind of a snake. No, jokes apart. It's not a snake. It's a programming language. I'm writing over here. It's a programming language. Programming language. So what does it mean of programming and then language? Oh, rather than writing over here, I'll write over here. That will be better for you to easily understand. Python programming language. Now, it's very important. Understand it. What is Python? Python is a name. Okay. Python is only a name. Then, sir, I understood. Python is just a name. Okay. In the market, sir, you have different programming languages like Java. Maybe you have heard about this, right? It's not required. You should know that. But C, C++. Yes, Vasim, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt. Shall we take note of this, or these notes will be available like?
I will provide these ones. No worry about it. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now what I'm saying, Python is a name, just like Java in the market, C, C++, and many more programming languages. That's a different thing. That means it's just a simple name. Then the important thing is that programming and what is the meaning of language. Now you have to tell me, sir, we are understanding Python. Before understanding Python, we are understanding what is programming language, because, sir, Python is actually a programming language. Python is simply a programming language. So that is why we have to understand first what is the meaning of programming language. So the meaning of programming is nothing but, before coming to programming, the meaning of language is what? That means there are two humans like Subir and me. If we want to communicate, how we will communicate? With the help of a language. You know that, right? With the help of a language like English, with the help of a language, maybe I'm writing over here. I'm writing over here. Language means like me and Subir. I'm writing me and Subir wanted to communicate. How we will communicate? With the help of a language, just like English, just like Hindi, just like Arabic, anything, and many more. So what is language in general I'm talking about? The benefit and the use of language is what? I can express my emotions to you, and Subir can express his emotions to me and anybody else. That means if you want to communicate with the human, you need a language. One more time. Sir, if you wanted to communicate with the human, you need a language, just like English, Hindi, and Arabic. That's so simple. I got the point. So I understood. Now it's at the same time, what is the meaning of programming? What is the meaning of programming? Programming means nothing but a set of instructions. Very easy. The meaning of programming, again, now we are not talking about technical things. We are talking about generic things. Language means if we wanted to communicate with the human, I need a language just like Hindi, English, and all, right? Similarly, programming means some set of instructions. Programming means some set of instructions. Okay, set of instructions means, can you please give some example? Definitely. You have a car. I believe everybody has a car, right? You have mobile phone, you have a cell phones. You know that there is a set of programs if you are calling to someone, isn't it? When you usually drive a car, there are some set of instructions, isn't it? I know that people, I believe people knows that how to drive a car. But you drive a car based on set of instructions. Are you getting my point? Yeah. When you used to search something to the internet, there's some set of instructions. When you call in your mobile phone, hey Siri, call to my friend, there is some set of instructions. That means the meaning of programming in general in the real world is nothing but some set of instructions. Instruction means, take one more example very easily, right? You are there, right? And your friend, your brother, your mother is going somewhere in a marriage, and you are not going. What to do at that time? You will guide your brother. Okay, you have to go there, you have to take a cab, then you have to take a flight, then you have to maybe you have to go 1 kilometer, then you have to go right and left. What you are doing? You are helping him, or you are setting him as an instructions. You are telling him in instructions, right? Or you are driving a car and you are helping to your wife to drive a car. What you are doing? You are helping her a set of instructions. That means, in simple terms, programming is nothing but a set of instructions or rules. I'm writing over here rules, or it can be anything. That means, sir, whatever you're talking about, language, programming, is it related to our real world? Definitely. It is not related to a programming. It's not related to a coding. It's related to a real world. So understand, language means just two people are communicating. Programming means some set of instructions. I got the point. This is something very easy, right? But now let's talk to the Python part. So now Python programming language. What does it mean? I'll tell you. I will tell you. Very easy it is. Python means it's just a name. Okay, it's just a name. Okay, what is the meaning of programming here? Programming means you wanted to communicate with the computer, then you need a Python. I'm writing over here like this. Python is simple a name. Okay, it's just a name, not name, just a name only. Okay, just a name only. And what exactly meaning of programming here? Programming means nothing but communicate with the spelling. No need to worry about the spelling. Communicate with the computer, right? You need a programming. Are you getting my point? And language means if you wanted to communicate with the computer, you need a language just like Python, just like Java, just like C, just like C++, and many more. Oh, come on. C++ and many more. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say here, guys? Everybody? Yes, tell me.
Yes.
In simple terms, let's summarize it one more time. Because if you're able to understand these things now, Python is very easy for you. Very easy. Now, sir, let's summarize it quickly. That means that you're trying to say, just read this one. Just see this one. Python programming language. Python is just a name. Okay, Python is just a name. If you wanted to communicate in simple terms, if you wanted to explain somebody what is Python programming, what is Python programming language, you have to understand, you have to explain that person in simpler manner. Sir, Python is a simple programming language. Why we are using Python? Why? That's a different story. Then we'll talk about. Now, Python is a programming language. If you want to communicate with the computer, you need a Python, you need a Java, you need a C. Why? Because computer is not a human. If that is a human, definitely we need a only English language to communicate. But computer is a machine, and if you want to communicate with the machine, you need a Python only. Why? Because Python cannot, sorry, not Python, computer cannot understand simple English, is it? Because computer has some set of instructions they follow, right? So for that, we need a Python programming language, as simple as that. Tell me, understood everyone what exactly Python programming is now? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Cool, cool. Now, so we understood that. We understand the what is Python. We understood the Python programming. But sir, I wanted to understand more. I wanted to understand more in Python. Let's just come to that part. Now, the second thing. So I understood Python programming. Python programming language. What is exactly Python programming? We understood now. But sir, in the market, we have Java, we have C, C++, JavaScript, and many more programming languages. Why we are learning only Python? I will help you. I'll tell you. Python is a generic purpose programming language. Oh, come on. Language. Just write it over here. Generic. So Python is a generic purpose programming language. Generic means what is the meaning of generic? Generic means with the help of a Python, I can build my website. I can build my app. Okay. I can solve analytics problem. I can solve artificial intelligence related problem. I can solve data science related problem. Isn't it? Data science related problem. I can make I can write large set of codes, that core programming I'm writing. I can write away core program, anything. These are the things I can do with the help of Python only. That means the meaning of generic is nothing but, why we are learning Python, sir? Because Python is a generic programming language. Java, I can do. C, C++, I can learn, no problem at all. But with the help of a Python, with the one programming language, I can solve multiple problems. If you want to if you want to build a website, app, analytics problem, artificial intelligence, data science, and so many I can do very easily. Yes, Hussein.
Yes, Ujjwal. Why
Yeah.
Python only? Why not?
I'm coming to
Why
that part.
Python is becoming so popular
I'm coming to
to
that.
resolve AI and
Definitely.
analytics?
I'm coming to that part. So we understood. So why we are choosing Python? Definitely. But so why only Python? That's a different one. Yes. Why only Python? Why only Python? I'll tell you. Because, come here. Because, right over here. Because Python has some good benefits which Java, C, C++, or any another programming don't have. Yes, Subir?
No, actually, I was raising the hand because you are addressing. In case Mr. Hussein, you need something, then I will tell. Or else, like, Uttam. Actually, his name is Uttam. He has logged in from his brother's.
Yeah, my brother's laptop actually. Yeah.
So,
Okay, got it.
yeah, Uttam, you can continue, please.
Okay.
And then I can give
Okay.
something, help
No
for
problem.
Mr. Hussein. Otherwise, you have all the solution. I know it.
Okay. Now, why only Python? Because some benefits Python has which any another programming don't have, like Java, C, C++, they don't have. What first benefit? It is easy to learn. A first thing, easy to learn. Once we learn it, once we go deeper in the Python, you will understand. It is very easy to learn. Second thing, it's simple in English. That means once we start learning Python, the content, the keywords are very simple in English because of that. Okay. Third thing, because it's vast library. Library, LIBRARY, library community. That means these are the three main advantages It is easy to learn, that's fine. It is simple in English, that's okay. It is a vast library community. So what does it mean, library community? I will help you. The vast library community means if you are solving a problem of artificial intelligence using Python, what's the big deal? I can solve using Java. Yes, you can solve with the help of Java, C, C++, but if you are solving a problem in Java of artificial intelligence, it will take 1,000 lines of a code. Take an example, 1,000 lines of a code. But in Python, because of library, that same problem you can solve within 2 lines only. That is the beauty. That means over there you need 1,000 lines, 10,000 lines to solve a problem. The same thing you can do in Python with the help of 2 lines, 5 lines only, because of library. So the main agenda, the main part, why only Python? Because of its library and it is easy to learn. That is the main thing. Are you getting my point, Akib?
Makes sense. You don't have to be an IT professional to learn Python, right?
Definitely, we cannot. No, it's not required.
Okay.
Okay. Now that means, sir, if we are coming from tech background, we can learn Python definitely. If we are coming from non-tech background, we can also learn. Why? Because of its easiness. Its easiness. Again, it's not only to solve a problem. If you are learning this for a fun, definitely that thing makes sense. Okay. Now, sir, we understand. We understand why we are learning Python. Why only Python? We understand that apart. Fine, fine. Now, sir, why Python? We understand. Introduction to Python. Now we have understand. Now I will help you to install Python in your system also. I'm assuming some of the people have, and if you don't have, definitely no to worry about it. I will help you to how to download Python in your local system. Very easy.
Absolutely. Guys, I'm so sorry to interrupt, Uttam.
Yeah.
Guys, please, in case you have the Python there in your system, then please raise your hand, or you can write down on the chat box, please. Write down on the chat box. You have?
Yeah, if you have.
So, just a question. Sorry,
Sure,
and
sure, please.
Uttam,
No problem.
this Python do because I have a security on my computer, so I don't know if I'll be able to download because I need a permission and I have to go for approvals.
That might.
So, is it something is needed here, which is needed some kind of licenses? I can get
No.
it. That's not a problem. Or I have to go for my personal laptop. What do you
Mr.
suggest?
Hussain, I would say that I would just actually take this. Uttam, so sorry.
Yeah. No, go ahead.
Mr. Hussain, I would actually recommend that you should go with your personal laptop, because in case you're logging in from your computer laptop, I understand that you are at a top leadership position, but I would appreciate that you should always log in from your own laptop. Reason number one, because the data privacy, you can always maintain that, right, of your company itself.
Okay. Yeah. Correct.
So it's a personal suggestion. That's it, nothing else.
Yeah,
Apart-
makes sense. I think it makes sense.
Right. One important thing is that, yes, how many people have done, how many people do not have Python? Just mention that. Because there are a lot of people have their Python libraries, Python installed in their system, right? Mr. Madan, you do not have, right?
No, I don't have it.
No worries with that. How many people do not have? I don't have. Okay. Mr. Peter do not have. How many people more?
I also do not have this Python installation in my laptop.
All right. Wonderful then. Fine then. So what I will do is that Mukul is Mr. Masood Hassan, right? Same here. I have to install. Okay. Then I don't have. So okay, fine. Mr. Uttam, you can always help them out, so that the people who have Python in their system, they always can see the same thing. And I do understand that the people who have that might be boring for you, but again, Uttam is again from a very versatile trainer. I like Uttam because I have a very good word with him always, and he's one of my very good close friend of mine. So Uttam, yes, you can always help the
For
people.
sure, for sure.
Right. And one more thing, I mean, just wanted to say, I'm so sorry. This is the first class. That's the reason I'm interrupting you a
No
lot.
problem. Yeah.
So, see, Mr. Rakib Hussain, and even for the rest of the people, why Python is very much important, because Python is a very, very popular program, as Uttam has said that. The best part of Python is that any of the things that you do it, as he said, that it is purely in English as a language. C, C++, Java, Oracle, or anything, you need to write the codes. But out here in Python, it's a pure English as a language. You are good in English, you know the English, you can always do the coding. People from geography honors, people from history, political science, any XYZ, people from any industry, they can learn the Python like right, left, and center, to be very frank. And the very important thing is that I have, if I talk about my son also, he is actually just got an Olympiad in Python at the moment. He's in class 8 only. So you can understand that the way that when I was a kid, I was learning, like we people were on a kid, we were learning computer, right? The same way Python has been encast these days. So there is nothing to worry about it. It's not a rocket science. It's just English as a language, nothing else. That's it. I believe that that can actually really help you folks to go ahead and learn the Python, right? I believe that's a boost, right? Isn't it?
Definitely, definitely, it is for the people, I believe.
Wonderful, excellent then. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Uttam.
Okay.
Please carry on.
Now, now I believe people able to understand Python programming. Why only Python? Now, why Python is famous also in the market, in the industry? Because of its easiness, because of its easy to learn, as we mentioned, easy to learn, and because of its libraries and community. The same job, a same task you can do in Java and any programming language within 10 lines, within 100 lines. That same task you can do in Python within a one line only. Okay. Now, now I will help you how to download. If you haven't downloaded, install, that's fine. That's great. If not, I will help you out how you can do it. Okay. That won't take much time. What you have to do, there are two steps only, more than that. Go to the Google, just write simply Python download. Just simply write. Once you click on Python download, go for the first link, this python.org. Click on download Python. There might be latest version is there, like this 3.1, 3.2. Click on it. I have already downloaded in my system, so I will not do it. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will getting start in your system to visible. It getting installed over here. Sorry, download over here like this somewhere. Maybe I have to click on Python somewhere. I have, see, Python. Okay, here I don't have, maybe, but I can go to search bar. I can write here Python. Maybe you will find it. See, I have here Python 3.12. This is the version I have. Okay, so once you click on it, it will download in your system. Once it's installed, once it's download, then you have to, what you have to do, just double click on it. It will getting installed in your system. That's it. Simple thing, simple job. But sir, this will not work. That means once you install Python, once you download and install Python, you cannot write a long codes. Why? I will help you. I will help you. Now I will help you to understand Python and framework. Yes, Vasim. Yes, Praveen. Sorry, Praveen. Yeah, go ahead.
Which version I have to download? 3.12 or 3.14?
3.1, whatever you have it over here, na, latest version, just click on it. 3.1, 3.2, whatever it is.
Okay.
No problem at all.
Okay.
There's not might be differences. There are very small changes in that. It is the latest 3. That's fine. If it's 3.12, just go for the latest one always.
Is it
Okay.
3.13.2?
Definitely. Apart from Jupyter Notebook, we also definitely Google Colab. Yes. You are not able to download. What error you are getting, Peter? Let's try to download or install. Okay, for the people. Yes,
It's
Peter.
it says unconfirmed 794367. It says.
No. Maybe share your screen. Maybe I'm unable to understand what exactly the error. Share your screen.
1 minute.
Mhm. Yeah, Peter, go ahead. Share screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Can you see that?
Maybe it's loading. I can see. Yes. So you have downloaded it successfully.
It says couldn't download, no permission.
So are you using no? How you are downloading? Show me that first, and maybe share your entire screen. You have shared maybe a one page
Yeah, I
only.
have a dual monitor.
Uh-huh.
So I'm sharing. Can you see this or no?
No, I can see only your cr.download out kind of a web page. It's blank.
Mhm. How about now?
No, it's same. No,
Mm, okay. Is it the same even now?
yes, it's same.
Okay, wait, let me do that again.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Wasim, I'll come to you after this. Let's do that install and all.
See, it's not allowing me to go ahead with the Chrome.
No problem, no problem. Maybe there's some settings, the by default settings has been changed.
Just see if I'm now if you're able to see.
It's loading. Yes, I can see your screen. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I clicked
Do
on
one thing, do one
this.
thing, do one thing. Click on this set as default first of all. Above it's coming now.
Yeah.
Set as default. Click on it. That's it. Now
Okay.
download it.
Oh, it is
Okay.
showing
Some
settings.
setting is opening. That's fine. That's fine. It's opening automatically, or you have click on it somewhere.
No, it's opening automatically.
That's fine. That's fine. No problem
Okay.
at all. Click on it. Maybe because in your local system, your by default setting, your Chrome is not your by default one.
Yeah.
Too longer time. That's fine. Go back. It's taking some time to open. No problem at all. Sometime. See, it's downloading. See, it's downloading. Go right inside, I believe. See, it's a download
Where?
button. Above, right, top. Yeah, here. See, it's
Oh yeah.
downloading. It's
Oh
resuming
yeah.
maybe
Correct.
because of a
Correct.
net issue, some things.
Should be.
Yeah.
Anyway, let this download.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt. You may
No
continue,
problem.
please.
No problem. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Yes, Wasim. You're saying something, Wasim also? Yes, tell me, Wasim.
No, actually, I have downloaded already 3.13 version. I think any version is okay, correct?
Any version is okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yes, Praveen.
I would like to share my screen. I installed the Python,
Okay.
but after finishing, it was showing me disable pathline
Share
limit
your screen, no
something.
problem. Share your screen.
Okay, one second.
Okay, Anuba. Okay. No problem. We have time, so I'll let them know. Otherwise, definitely.
I
No
shared
problem.
my screen.
Yeah, go ahead. I can see.
You're seeing this one?
Yes, I can see. But I can see the Python where you have downloaded only.
No, not this one. I would like to share other one.
Maybe share your entire screen.
Entire screen.
So do one thing as okay, let's spend maybe for 3-4
Okay,
minutes.
I've shared my
No problem. Yeah. Go
sharing
ahead.
entire screen.
Stop your share, maybe and reshare your entire screen. I can see now. I can see.
Example, this one.
Show me.
You're saying
That's fine. It's installed. So close.
close, right?
No need to do it
Close
anything.
that.
Yes, close. Yes.
Okay.
That's it. It's
Thanks.
installed successfully. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Can I
Madan?
can I show you my screen? One second.
Yes, Madan. Go ahead.
1 second. How to share the screen? Where is it?
Yeah, there's an option below to share the screen.
Is it on the right side or
In the middle. In the middle.
in the middle? The screen sensitive. Now turn on captions.
Yeah, there's an option to share. Click on it. It will ask you to share your entire screen. Click on it and click on share.
Present now.
Not right now.
No. I don't see the shared screen. I get it.
You can't see it. Below there's an option present now. Actually, there's an option present now. When you hover on the
Present now. Present now. Yeah.
Yeah, click on it.
Is it the one? This is the one, right?
And share your entire screen.
1 second. Share it. Come on, please. This is down.
Click on the entire screen and click on share.
I just clicked on present now,
Mm-hmm.
and another small
Once you
screen
click
will
on a
come up.
present now, there's in three options will come. Window and
Three options.
entire screen. Click on entire screen.
It's entire screen. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, and then click on share below.
Share. Is this share? Share below. What is you mean the bottom below? I don't see. This is cancel and share. I don't see. It's because share is not active.
Because you have to select a screen. Once you click on it, there's an option
Okay,
below.
okay,
You will
okay,
screen one, screen two.
All right. I think I shared my screen. I think, right?
It's I can
Isn't
see. I can see. Yeah, go ahead.
1 second. I will show you my.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see this?
Already downloaded, I guess.
Yes.
I can see.
You can see the three icons here. Python
No problem.
3.18, Python
All of them.
3.8.
No problem. All of them.
Modules, those, and Python 3.13.
That's fine. That's fine. That's a different thing. No problem. It
So
looks
that's
good.
it.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Okay, stop sharing.
Fine. Okay. Now let me share my screen. I believe you are able to understand. Yes, Mujib.
Actually, I installed the Python but when I installed it, it showed me ideally 13.10, but the rest of the thing is coming in 13.13, but this only ideally is coming 13.10.
That's fine. That's fine. There's a different. The ideal is a different one. No problem at all. If it is coming 3.10,
So
no problem.
So which one I have to work on it? Is
I'll
on
tell
the
you.
ideally or?
No, not on ideal. Not on ideal. That's why I'm saying if it is 3.10, no problem at all. Okay, no worries.
Okay.
I'll help you. Now we able to understand what is Python, why we are learning Python, why only Python. We have downloaded Python. Now at the same time, we'll understand a framework. Saying something?
Ujjwal, I have shared my screen.
Okay, I cannot see. Maybe share it one more time.
Sure.
Please share it one more time. I can see. Yeah. Wait. Advanced option. You have no. Click on back. You should not click on advanced. Click on go back. Click on install now. Install now at the top. First one. Click on it. That's it. Never click on one. If you're downloading Python, never click on advanced option. No.
Okay, now it started.
It started. It will take some time and it will install successfully. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, you can stop your share. Okay. Now understand framework. We downloaded Python. Now everybody understand it very carefully. This is important because what is Python? Python we understood. Python is an engine. Tell me, anybody aware about a car? Tell me what is car and the work of car. Tell me. Anyone? What is car and the work of car?
Anyone?
It's a
It's a mode of transportation which helps you get from one place to another within a frame of time, within a certain frame of time.
Correct. That means car is a kind of a tool for us to move from point A to point B in simple terms, right? But tell me,
Yeah.
if I give you only engine of a car, will you be able to travel from point A to point B?
No.
No, right? The same thing, the same thing, the same thing. Python is an engine. So right now, whatever we have downloaded, right, that is an engine only. You cannot write large set of codes. If you want to develop an application, if you want to develop a website, if you want to solve artificial intelligence analytics problem, you cannot solve because you downloaded only engine right now. Are you getting my point? But sir, I want to drive with my family point A to point B, then you need a framework. What is a framework? You know that in a car there is two things. One is engine, another thing is body of a car, right? Where you sit, where your family sit, then you go point A to point B, right? The same thing. We downloaded engine only. That the name is Python. Now what is a framework? Framework means nothing but a body means where you write a large set of codes. Sir, in a car, I'll ask you, right? You know that there's a car Audi, right? And Audi have a different set of models. Audi Q3, Audi Q5, Audi Q7. What is the different three of the cars? Tell me. Anyone? There are three cars, right? Audi Q3, Q5, Q7. What is the difference three of the cars? Anyone?
Modification, maybe enhancement,
And
or maybe
in
certain
simple terms, the length, the body, right, of framework, isn't it? Because Q3 is a small car, Q5 is a bit of larger, and Q7 is a seven-seater. So what I am trying to say, three of the cars having the same engine. Are you getting my point? Three of the cars having the same engine, but the framework is different. Are you getting my point? Right? Are you able to connect the points? That means, sir, what you are trying to say, I am trying to say Python is an engine only, and Python having a different set of, I can write over here. Is that draw? Come here. See, first, hmm, first body of our engine is nothing but I am writing over here. First engine is nothing but Jupyter. Jupyter notebook. You have heard about, I believe, right? You have heard about Jupyter notebook, isn't it? Isn't it? Second engine of a car, second engine of a body, not sorry, engine, second body of this engine. This some you can understand. This is Audi, right? Take an example. This is Audi, and this is a one body, just like a Q3, na? And this is another. What is another framework in Python? Another framework, sir. Maybe you heard about. Oh, come on, click on it. Okay. Third is nothing but it's not clicking. Third is nothing but VS Code. VS Code. Okay. And sir, what's the different one? There's a different one more. Third. What is the third one? Third one is nothing but a PyCharm. And again, more, sir, there are more. There are only not three, there are lots of framework. That means engine will be same, but the body can be different. One more time. Engine will be same, but the body can be different, right? But sir, I got your point. That means like in Audi is a one brand. In Audi, I have Audi Q3, Audi Q5, Audi Q7. What is the difference? Three of the cars. Three of the
Your voice disappeared. You are muted or we can't hear you.
Yes, I also can't.
Yeah, Uttam, actually, there is a network issue with yours.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Absolutely fantastic. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Mine might be some network issue suddenly. Now, tell me where you have learned, where you have heard about that. I was talking about engine will be same, Python
Absolutely.
engine will be same, and this is my Q3, this is my Q5, this is my Q7. Now I am saying engine will be same, but tell me these three of the models Q3, Q7, Q5, what is the difference? Difference will be features also. Q3 has some different features, Q5 have different features, Q7 has different feature. That means sir, what you are trying to say, you are trying to say Python will be same, Python will be same for all the framework. Framework means I can use Jupyter notebook. Okay, I can use Jupyter notebook, sir. I can use PyCharm, sir. I can use Spider, not Spider, Spider. I can use Google Colab. I can use sir VS Code. I can use maybe Jupyter Lab, and many more. That means you are trying to say Python is a one programming language, but this programming language having a lots of framework, right? This Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm and all. But sir, which one I have to use? Anyone. There is no restriction. But we will talk about most of the time Jupyter Notebook. Okay. We'll talk about Google Colab. We'll work upon Google Colab and the VS Code. I will show it to you how this thing works. Why, sir? Why not rest? Because all are having a same one. No one will ask you. No one will ask you which framework you have worked upon, because at the end of the day all work similarly, right? Because all are coming from one brand now, just like Python, just like Audi. Is it? This is Q3, this is Q5, this is Q7. If someone asks you tomorrow which car do you drive, you will say I drive Audi. You will not say I drive Audi Q3, right? Audi is important, not a brand, not a model. Important is Audi. Are you getting my point? The brand means Python I'm talking about here. Are you getting about the meaning of framework here, everybody? Tell me. We understood the framework of Python?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, where we will do it, how to download, I will tell you download. You can download very easily and install. It won't take much time. What you have to do, go back, go to the Google, because I am telling you how to download VS Code, because all will the similar manner. Click on VS Code, or VS Code download, anything you can write. Once you click on it, go to the first link. First link. Once you click on a first link, see, if you're using Mac, click on Mac. If you're using Window, click on Window. Once you download successfully after clicking on this, double click on it and it will install in your local system. That's it, right? Once it's installed, you have to restart your system. Okay. Once you download and install VS Code, you have to restart your system. Why, sir? Is it important? Yes. Why? Because Python is a different and frameworks are different. One more time, sir. Python is a different and frameworks are different. So once you download in your local system, they have to combine automatically. So they will automatically combine, make a connection automatically, but sometimes system requires restart. So they will make a connection automatically. Okay, that is why it's required. Yes, boss, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt.
No problem.
There was something written like .deb, Debian and Ubuntu. What's that actually?
Come again, what is dot?
.deb and .rpm. That's Red Hat, Fedora.
Oh,
SUSE,
that is for
Debian.
Linux. This is a Mac,
Okay.
no? This is for maybe Mac users. This is for Windows users. So what is Windows? Windows is a operating system. OS, okay, operating system. Mac is operating system. Similarly, we have a Linux.
Yes,
Linux is
yes,
another
yes.
operating system. Okay, like Ubuntu,
Okay.
Debian, and all. Okay.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Now we understood. Now, but today we will talk about So this is something you told us, right? These are the frameworks. But which framework we will work upon today? We'll work upon Google Colab. And tomorrow I'll show you more. Okay. But today we'll work upon Google Colab. As I mentioned, all works same. All work same. What is the difference then? Difference is nothing but the features. Jupyter Notebook have different feature. PyCharm has different features. Spider, Google Colab, VS Code having a different features. But sir, I want to understand one more thing. In the industry, people uses what more? I will tell you. In the industry, people uses more this one. Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, and VS Code. These are the three main uses in the industry. Okay, but there's no restriction. You can use any one of them, Jupyter Lab and all. But in the industry, people uses most of the time Jupyter, VS Code, and PyCharm. Okay. Yes, Hussein. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, basically, you mean to say that out of this six, you can use any one of them, and the most common is this PyCharm or Jupyter. I
Jupyter
think Jupyter.
and VS Code also. Yes. In personally, I use this VS Code also. You can see
And
this.
VS
This
Code.
is
So
this is
is it
something my
everything
code.
is
So this is something I use. This is a VS Code. Okay. This is a VS Code. This is how VS Code looks like. So yes, in
so
the industry, people use VS Code.
so everything
Right?
is
Same.
everything is same. Everything is same whether you use VS Code or Jupyter Notebook, whichever we
Yes.
are able to learn, or is it something we have to
Correct.
use a mix of all three?
Correct. Correct. Yes. At the same time, VS, Jupyter,
I'm asking
PyCharm,
question.
the features are different only. Nothing more than that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, I believe people understood that apart. Now, let's talk
can we
about.
mix?
Yes, Madan, come again.
Can we mix between them?
No, I didn't get you. Can we what?
Can we mix between the three frameworks?
Can we mix?
Yeah, between these three.
Yes,
Jupyter
yes. So right now, today we'll talk about Google Colab, how we can write a code on Google Colab. Tomorrow we will talk about Jupyter Notebook and VS Code also.
write something about Google Colab and mix it with Jupyter Notebook. Can I do that?
It will be. We can do that, yes,
Right.
because all are having a same set of functionality. Yes,
Thanks.
we can. Okay. Now, sir, we have done it, right? We install it and all. But right now, sir, we'll work upon Google Colab. So let's do it. So we understand what today? Introduction to Python. Why Python? Now let's talk about the programmatical things. Now we will try to learn how you can write code in Python. We'll learn this thing now. Yes, Wasim. Yes,
No,
Wasim,
that's
go
fine.
ahead. Yes. Saying something?
No, nothing. Thank
Okay, okay. You have raised an hand, that's why I'm asking. No problem. Now we understood that apart. Now let's go to Google and write over here. Go to Google and just simply say Google Colab. Simply write Google Colab. And Google Colab is a product. It's a platform from Google side. That the name also says na Google. Google is a company. Google Colab, it's a name. So Google Colab, it's a tool, it's a framework provided from Google to us free of cost. But this requires to sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, just click on it. I have already signed in. Okay, I have already signed in. What you have to do, this is once you click on it, it will ask you, these are the files I have created earlier. Now click on a new notebook. Click on a new notebook. Once you click on it, see, this is opening now. That might take some seconds. Oh, it's showing some error to me. It's the error to me only, not for you, I believe. Come on. It won't show you the error, but for me, it's showing me. Click on it one more time. Loading this book, ensure the files try again. Couldn't run new notebook. Storage. Oh, my storage is full now. It's showing me that one. It will not show you that. So do one thing. Open this file similarly. Everyone, open this file similarly for you also. Till then, okay. Let me click on it one more time. Okay, it's showing me error. Let me do it. Open notebook. I'll open the earlier one. Okay, previously one I'll open, not a new one. Once you do that, you have to click on a new notebook. It will open for you. Okay, this is something opened already. So what I'll do, I will delete all these things. Okay, no need for this right now. This is the code I was earlier was using. This, see, these are the features. Now I'll tell you some basic features. See, there's a plus button. You can see there's a plus button to add a cells here. See, adding a cells. Now here I can change a file name. Here I can change a file name. My file name is oh, come on, click on it. Okay, come on. You don't have permission to this file. That's fine. No, here you can change a file name. Okay. Now here we'll write down a code. Tell me, everybody, open this Google Colab from your end, then we will do that. Everybody open it.
Open, sir.
Open. Okay. Now, what I believe, if people don't get tired, so what say? We can take a break. Then after the break, will that be started again? Tell me. Will that be okay?
Yes.
Now, excuse me.
Yes,
I
yes.
just opened the Google Colab on Google
Mhm.
and I got another menu which is showing welcome to Colab. File, edit, view, insert. This is the I'm reading the top menu. Table of content and then code plus text. What should I do now?
No, maybe share your screen. I'll help you.
1 second. 1 second.
Okay, showing. Yes, if you're getting error, that means your Google Drive is full. Yes, you're right. Yes,
Can you see
Madan,
my
go ahead.
screen? You can see my screen.
I can see now. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, it's not showing. So you see, right hand side, there's an option. It is asking you to sign in. So you have to sign in first with your Gmail account. Go right hand side at the top.
Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Got it.
Sign in.
Okay.
Yes, sign in
Got
first
it.
with your Gmail account.
With any Gmail account. Huh?
Yes, sign in. Anyone. Choose anyone.
Okay. Oh.
So after that, guys, we will take maybe 15 minutes of a break. You can take a tea or something. Then we will resume it again.
Okay. I will stop sharing.
No problem. You can do that. We can do this first. No problem. Okay. Okay, I believe. So do one thing. Let me share the screen. What you can do, go click on entire screen. I'm sharing the screen. Now what I will do, sometimes my net goes to time. Okay, so let's go, everybody. 15 minutes of a short break. Then we will start a code part. Okay, everybody. And our time starts now. Okay, I believe, guys, we are back to the seats now. Everybody, please confirm. Back to the seats. Okay, okay, cool. I can see people are here. Great. Now, I believe everybody is able to see the screen now and everybody is able to write down the Google Colab file. Yeah. Okay. But this is something because in my Google Drive, the space is very high. Okay. So just allow me some minutes because I'm trying to delete something, right? Otherwise, I cannot create a file here. Na? Wait. My drive is full. It's almost. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, my drive is full. That's why let me delete some spaces, right? Then I can create a new file here, na? Okay. It's very huge. Okay, delete. I'm just deleting some of the spaces, right? So I can create a new file here. Otherwise, it's not allowing me to share. Come on, come on, come on. I can delete. Till then, guys, let me know if you have a doubt or something till then. Yeah. Large files I have also there, but I believe I cannot delete them because those are important. Let me try, let me try. No, I cannot do it more than that, but that's fine. Let me try it one more time, right? If I'm able to do it, restart, reshare this. And let me do it one more time. Okay, let me check it. Let me share the file. Open new notebook in Drive. Let's check it. Come on, please open a one file only. Okay, it's not allowing me. Okay, it's not allowing me. But that's fine. We'll work upon this one only. Okay, we'll work upon this one only. That's fine. No problem at all. Okay, guys, so this is how Google Colab looks like. Now we'll talk about the things which actually important to write a code. Now, whatever we will see that now that will be work upon to directly to the Python. Python is still not installed, including CS code. I am unsure if this is due to my laptop. That might be Peter. That might be what you can do, na? Maybe those people like that people will help you after the class or maybe the tomorrow before the class they'll help you maybe how you can install it or that might be issues you are doing it maybe you're missing something or whatever it's your laptop issue. Okay, they might help you then at that time. Okay, Peter, I believe you got that point. Okay, cool. Now try to understand right now, just see the screen, you will be able to understand. Okay, and this file I can share it with you, but I'm looking at one thing. Wait. Why I'm saying this because Checking one thing. Wait. No, guys. If I do it now, I have to delete some thing. Wait, because otherwise it not allowing me to basically save the file also. No. Okay. Just give me 1 2 minutes more. Let me remove some of the spaces. Okay. Otherwise it's not allowing me to save the file even. Okay. Till then, open it and okay, come down, come down, come down. I got lots of spaces here. Someone is saying something. If you wanted to ask something, let me know till then.
Yeah, are you stuck on your file? Because I don't see anything moving.
No, I'm not stuck. I'm saying in my system, the Google Collab is not allowing me to share the, sorry, to save the file even because of the space. So I'm removing some spaces.
So you're not doing anything on the write up, right? You're
No,
just
no, not right
working
now,
with
not
your
right.
backend.
No,
Okay.
no, no, no need to worry. I'm removing some files. These are large files, even though that will be better now, I believe. That will be better now. Okay, let me refresh. Let's check. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, just I need some minutes. Okay. 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 Because if I will not do it now, I cannot able to save the file. Okay, that will be issue then. Okay, I got these files. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Is it better now? The space. It's a bit better. It's a bit better. But do I want to do it one more time? Just wait some couple more minutes also. Otherwise, right, that won't work. In my system, then how can I show it to you these things because of that only? Okay, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. So after that, the things will be very easy and will be fun. Okay. It's better now. I believe I can do it now. Okay. Let's see whether I can see save the file. Come here, go there and click on a new notebook in Drive. Come on, create it now. Create, don't deny. Come on, it's opening. Yeah, it's opening. Yes, it's opening now, right? Okay. Now I have created a new Google Colab file. What I will do, I am going to make it a name. New name is, I'm just writing Skills Revo. Oh, come on. Skills Revo. Okay. Now, what first thing we will talk about in Python? Now we are talking about how we can write a code in Python. Now, first thing, a first concept in Python we are talking about variables. Variables. Again, Python is very similar to your real world, which you have learned already. So no need to worry about your learning first time. It's very easy. As I mentioned, Python is similar to you have done your 10, 12 standard or even though before that also. Now tell me, everybody will tell me what exactly the meaning of variables. Did you remember in 10 12 you did like this: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. And you have to write in Python, if you want to print something, you want to see the output, you need a print statement. Okay, and just write c. Tell me what output will come if I run this in general, not
30,
even the Python. In general, what output will come? Everybody.
30.
30.
30, right? If I run
Yes.
it, the output will be 30. How? How? Because the value of A is 10, value of B is 20, and I'm saying 10 plus 20 will be stored in C. And I am printing here C. That's a 30. That's fine. Now, sir, what exactly variables here? Again, what is A? A is a variable. Variable means, what is the meaning of variable? Which
Different values.
stores the data. Correct. Stores the data. What is the meaning of data? 10 is a value, or I can say data. So is equal to, it's a value. So A is a variable, 10 is a value. B is a variable and 20 is a value. C is a variable and A plus B will be a value. So that means, sir, one, what is the meaning of is equal to? Is equal to is nothing but is equal to is an assignment, okay, which is assigning a value 10 into A. Very simple. Isn't it easy, everyone? A, B, and C, the variable part. Okay, okay. So that means, sir, in Python, this is how we can create a variable. Yes, with the help of is equal to is equal to. I'll repeat one more time, Peter. No problem. So I am saying what? I am saying what? In Python, what exactly variables are? Variables are nothing but this. A is equal to 10. So what is 10? 10 is a value and A is a variable. With the help of is equal to symbol, you can assign a value 10 to a variable B. And what is the meaning of variable? Variable is nothing but which generally stores the data. Okay, data can be anything. 10 is a data, 20 is a data, and data can be anything. Okay, so this is how we create a variable.
Rascal.
Yes,
Didi,
you want to say something? Okay, no, I guess. Yes, Peter, tell me, is it understood the variable? 10 is a value,
Sir, may,
A is a variable. Mhm.
sir, may I know how you ran this program?
So
Actually, I
simply,
missed that part.
there is a button. See this button. Click on this button or control enter. Control enter. Both things are okay. Okay. Understood? How we run the program?
It's coming. Yes, yes.
Coming. Okay. Great. Now, sir, once we able to understand the variables, now we'll understand the data types. What is data types? Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Now, the meaning of data types is nothing but, if I want you to understand, first tell me, guys, what is data if you're aware about? What is data? Anyone?
Data is a raw information.
Correct. It's a raw information. Okay. And
It's like a
Um,
saturated and unsaturated data.
correct. It's a unsaturated data. Correct. That means data is like you have a bank account, right? And bank has all of your data. How much salary you are getting on a monthly basis, yearly basis, what is your age, whether you are married or not, what is your PAN card number, what is your Aadhaar number, what is your mobile number, what is your Gmail account. So what bank has all of your data. Data means nothing but information, information of everything, your bank account details, your phone numbers, how old you are, right? What is the total salary you're getting on a monthly, daily, yearly basis. This is called a data. Data means information. Information of what? Information of everything. It's called a data in simple terms. Now, if I ask you, so I understood the data, but the meaning of data types is what? Very easy. It's very easy. Because in the real world, you know that data has a different type. Take an example, Khalid. Okay. The name is Khalid. Okay. The age is 20. Hmm? So and salary is one CR monthly. So these three information have a three different data set. Sorry, data types. Name is Khalid. So Khalid is not a number. The word KHALID is nothing but it's a string. Okay, it's a character. It's a ABCD, right? If I'm saying the age is a 20, so 820 is a number. Okay, 20 is a number. If I'm asking the weight of Khalid, so the weight will be 70.5, something like this. So this 70.5, it's a decimal. That means when we are talking about data in the real world, data have a multiple types. We will talk about the types. Now the first type of a data, everybody, first type of a data, it's very easy. Come here, come here, come here.
Numbers.
Yes, first type of a data is nothing but if I'm writing 10, 20, 30, 40, what type of data we have in general, not in Python, in general, what type of data we have? 10,
Sir,
20, 30.
integer.
No, 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 it's a number. We used to say number, na? We used to say it's a number. But
Yes,
in
it's a
Python,
number.
yes, in Python, we used to say it's an integer. INTEGER. How to demonstrate? In Python, we'll understand int. We used to write int. Understood, na? That means, okay, sir. That means you are trying to say integer is a one data type in Python. But in the real world, we used to say it's a number. At the same time, if I'm writing 10 or 19.5, this value point this, what type of data we have this in the real world?
These are decimals.
Decimals, correct. But in Python, we have to say this is a float, FLOAT.
Yes. So,
How to
yes,
pronounce
exactly.
FLOAT only? That's it. Very easy, na? Another one. If you remember, if you remember, if in the real world I am writing London, I am writing USA, I am writing Qatar, what type of data it is? Mhm.
String,
This is text.
character.
String one.
Character, yes, characters. But in Python, we have to say it's a string. Now, how to
String.
how to pronounce str, right? This is how it works. Another data types or another data type.
And one thing more,
Mhm,
excuse
mhm,
me.
mhm.
The mixture of text and the number is also string or
It's also a string. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Now, four data types are in 10-12 standard. Did you remember? We used to write true, false. Remember what type of data it was?
Boolean.
Boolean. And in Python, we have to say this is again a Boolean. But how to say? BWL. BWL, sorry. Bool. One more data type, if you remember. In 10-12
Sir, I
standard,
have
we
a
used to
question
cover.
here.
Mhm.
Sir, I have a question on
Yeah,
string.
come again.
As per my knowledge, which I read before, like in string we always use I mean semicolon, like so
Yes.
that
No,
to
not columns.
is a string.
Quotes. It's quotes.
Quotes, yes, quotes, yes. Sorry.
We'll come to that part. Yes, we'll talk about this one
Okay.
also. No problem. Now, one more data type. If you remember in 10-12 standard, we used to write A plus IB. Remember? Or a value like this 4 plus 5J. Remember like that? What type of data it was? Anybody?
These are complex data.
Complex numbers. Yes, complex numbers. In Python, this is again a complex. Complex. PLEX. And how to pronounce? How to write? Just simply COMPLX. Complex we have to write. These are the five main data types we have in Python. That should be rememberable for you. Tell me, Have we clear all these 5 data types? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy? Again, do not you should not learn this integer, float, and all. This thing you will remember automatically. Just connect the dots with the real world because number, decimal, character, all these you have read in your 10 12 standard, isn't? That's why I'm saying. Now, move ahead, move ahead. Sir, at the same time, I wanted to understand how can I write them? Very easy, very easy. But one more thing I want to tell you here. Integer, I can write directly. Okay. Float, I can write directly, but string, I cannot write directly. I have to read, I need this double quotes or this single quotes or double quotes. Both are required, necessary if you want to write string. Sir, I got half of it. What you're trying to say, I will tell you. I will tell you. Come here. Sir?
Excuse me.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Excuse me. Can you just repeat the last idea, please?
Okay, okay. So what I'm saying, see this here, go up, go up. When I was writing 10, I did not use anything. I just simply write 10. Isn't it 10 only?
Okay.
But
Yes.
if you wanted to write London, it will not work. It is giving you error. See this below, it's showing you error. Why? Because London, it's not a number, it's a string. And in Python, if you want to write any string, you have to write in the quotes or double quotes. It is mandatory.
Okay, okay, okay. Now I get it. Okay, thank you so much.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, fine. Now, so these 5 data types I have understood. But sir, can you please help us how we can write it? Come here. I will. So come here. I am writing a first data type like this. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. I have to write only 10. Na? It will work. But sir, if you want to see something, if you want to see the output, you have to write a print always. Print of A. That's it. So A is a variable. Na? So just simply write. Okay, 10 is coming. But sir, in Python, you are saying 10 is a number. I'm okay. I agree on this, but but sir, I wanted to show to somebody. This is what. So at that time, you can write type. Type is a function in Python. It's a built-in function. The meaning of built-in means this is built already. I have not created this. Okay, that's a built-in function. Type of A. If you write type of A, what output will come? Output is coming integer. Can you see this int? Tell me,
Yes,
int.
sir.
The same thing, the same thing. Sir, I can write here B is equal to I can write here London. If I'm writing London in the codes, then Python will understand. Without codes, it will not run. And if I'm writing type of B, come to next line. Type of B, what output will come? See this? It's coming string.
String.
Can you see that? Everybody tell me. I can use a single string or double quotes. Both are okay. Both are good. Agree with me on this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, sir, at the same time, if I'm writing this, C is equal to any number decimal point 8, 3, just write type of C. So type is a function, it's a float. At the same time, sir, I want to write true, false. Very simple. Just write D is equal to true. Huh? True. See? Again, always remember the thing which we have to write exactly, we have to write in Python. So what does it mean? I will tell you. Can you see this true? If I'm writing true, I cannot write small t. I cannot write. Python will not understand this is a true. So a first letter should be capital always. In the function type, I cannot write capital T. Okay, I have to write small t, otherwise it will give me an error. That means Python have some restrictions also. Restriction, I mean to say, the thing exactly it's defined in Python, you have to write it exactly, otherwise it will not work. Okay, and simply write down this. you're getting bool. Right? What I'm trying to say here, exactly the things, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
What about rest people? Yes, Hussein. Yeah,
Yeah, but if you see London, you did not write capital L.
that's fine, no problem. Because it's a string, I can write everything. That's in capital letter also. Anything, it depends on me. I have to write print of B. I will get this. So this is the string. I can write anything. London, like this. London is the country of UK. Anything I can, anything you can write. See, whatever you write it in the codes, it will be considered as a string. But sir, in the string, if I'm writing a number like 10 or 29, so 29 is not a number now. 29 is it's a string. Okay, that means, sir, you are trying to say this one. Everybody see that. Everybody see that. If I'm writing maybe Z is equal to 10, tell me what it is. What type it will be? What will
Integer.
be the type of it?
Integer.
Integer.
Integer. At the same time, I'm writing X is equal to, tell me what type of data it is,
String.
right? Why?
String.
Because I'm
Pure
using a
this.
string, double quotes. The double quotes, whatever you write in the double quotes, it will be considered as a string
String.
always, isn't it? That means string is a identity in Python. Python will understand whenever you write double quotes, okay, this is a string. Inside thing, whatever you write, it will be considered as a string only. Getting my point, people?
Got it, sir.
What about rest people?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, if we write inside that quote true or false, so what it will show? It will consider it as a string or it will consider it as a boolean.
Where?
Like you have written 200 inside the quote. So if you
Mhm.
write true or false, so it will show it as an integer or it will show
Whatever,
it as a boolean.
whatever you write, whatever, it will be considered as a string. See? String only.
Uh, because
Whatever you
that
write.
quote symbolizes the string.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Anything. Okay. Now, sir, what I want you to do this from your side. Okay. But before that, I want to tell you one more thing. One more thing we'll learn new. Okay. Then what it is. Now, I wanted to ask you one thing. Now we'll talk about first indexing. Tell me, are we aware about what exactly the meaning of indexing is? Anybody of you? Anyone? What exactly indexing is?
So indexing is means that you are representing any data in the form of index, just like in the form of list, in the form of row and column type.
Correct.
Just like in the books when we go in the last. So if you want to go in a dedicated topic, though they mention in the index that go to this page, you will find this, and I mean the information on that
Got it.
page.
Have you seen the Excel? Hmm? Have you seen the Excel?
Yes.
In the Excel, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? This is the index. Index is nothing but it's a unique, and index will help you to understand the data. How many data records are there? Okay. This is called the indexing. But sir, how it is related to Python? Very easy. It's very easy. I will tell you, it's very easy. Now, in this part, sir, indexing, I'm getting it. But, sir, can you please explain it More better? Definitely. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. And let me share this. Tell me. I am writing here LOND on London. Hmm? Maybe I can increase the size it a bit more. This is London. So, what is indexing? Indexing in a Python is nothing but a numbers. Numbers means what? I'll tell you. And remember always, indexing in Python starts from 0 and left. One more time. In Python, indexing starts from left and 0. Okay. What does it mean, sir? What does it mean? This is zeroth index. This O is a first index. N is a second index. D is a third index. O is a fourth index and N is a fifth index. Getting a point from left hand side and starts from 0 always. Tell me, understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
LONDON. Okay. But sir, you said it starts from left hand side always. Yes. But but it starts from right hand side also. But if it starts from right hand side, this N will be -1, -2, -3, and so on, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will become -6. Getting my point? Tell me, understood this indexing? This is called the indexing. Are you getting my point? But sir, can you please show us a practical? Definitely. Come here, come here. Now let's do the practical. Quickly, quickly, come here. Sir, here I'm writing. Everybody see that. Here I'm writing. I is equal to I'm writing here London. London. That's it, sir. But sir, how do I get to know what is the index of it and how to write index? Everybody see that. Everybody. So I, a bracket always should be there. If I'm writing 0, tell me what will come. What will come?
L.
L.
The thing which we have understood, 0 means L. It should be L. See, only L is coming. At the same time, if I'm writing -2, tell me what will come.
O.
Because -2 means right hand side and it is second one. That means O again. If I'm writing -5, what will come?
O.
O.
O again, correct? O again. And if I'm writing here -6, what will come?
L.
L, definitely, right? So this square bracket is required. And in this one, you have to write like this always. If you write maybe 5, tell me what will come? Hmm?
N.
N, because it
N.
starts from 0 always. This is how this indexing works. Are you getting my point? Indexing?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, the meaning of indexing? Again, we learn all these things more detail when we go slowly. But tell me, I hope you are getting my point, what we are trying to do it, everybody. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I get some more responses? Yeah. Okay. Now I want you to do these things, guys, from your end. Yeah. I want you to explore these things from your end. Okay. I'm sharing this link with you. See, this is the feature of Google Colab. I can share this link with you. How I do this? The right hand side, there is an option to click on share. Once I click on share, it is asking you who you want to share. Copy the link and share it with everybody. I can share it with you now. Is it so good?
Yes,
Check the
sir.
link. Everybody, I'll give you time. Give you the time. Yeah. Do it. Run the code. Make fit it and run the code.
I got, sir.
Okay. Check it whether you will able to open this Google Collab link or not. Then try to
Yes,
run the
sir.
code at your end.
Now, can I ask something?
Yeah,
Uttam,
yeah.
where did you send an email?
No, no, no. Over the chat. Check it inbox.
I
Not
haven't
inbox.
seen
Maybe
it
it is
yet.
this Google Collab. Sorry, in this Google Meet chat.
Oh, on the Google picture.
Mhm. Yes, Madan, you are asking something? Tell me.
Yeah, I was asking about this. Now we downloaded the Google Colab.
Uh-huh.
Now, should we practice it on the on the software now or not? This is what you
No,
said
no, no.
now.
That
No, no.
that tool practice we'll do it tomorrow.
All
Right
right, all
now,
right,
today only we are checking it. Google Collab only. Okay.
all right, no problem.
Yes. Yes.
I'm just saying, excuse me,
Come again, Madan.
this file we shared already on share on the share
Okay.
this one, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes. I have to share it one more time. You're asking?
I see my name on this on the list, but how to get this share file?
No. Maybe share your screen. How to put the square bracket? The square bracket in your keyboard. There is a button. Check it, Peter. Yeah, maybe Madan share your screen. I'll help you.
1 second.
Mhm.
Yes. Can see my screen now?
Not now. It's
No?
loading actually. Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Right. So
Mm-hmm. Go for Google Collab, no? You're asking like I guess.
come again, sorry.
Mm-hmm. You're asking what regarding Google Collab? You're asking, right? Go to the Google Collab then.
No, you said you shared file already on the
Oh, okay, 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 that one. So see, right hand side, bottom right hand side, there is a chat button. Check it. More right, more.
yeah,
This
yeah,
one. See this? That link.
yes, all right, all right, all
Click
right.
on
I
it.
got it.
That will be open.
Okay. All
Okay.
right. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Do it then, everybody.
I have
Let me
a
know
question.
once done. Mhm. Yeah, someone is
Hello.
saying yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Like the one you used the square bracket.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, am I right that this is a list one we are using for the list?
Yes, the list one. Yes,
Uh,
yes, correct.
and Either instead of the square bracket, can we use the tuple also, like a curly bracket and tuple?
No, no, no. For indexing, no, we cannot. No,
Okay, okay.
no.
For indexing only, we will use like a list, huh?
This list one characters. Yes,
Okay, okay. So
yes.
as I understand, like you can't change in a list, but you can change in a curly bracket and tuple.
No, you're mistake. So you cannot change in tuple, but you can change in dictionary. You can change in list. You can change everywhere, but you cannot change in tuple.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
Right?
Okay,
You're right. So that part will cut. We will happen. Will be in tomorrow. Yeah, that will
okay,
come tomorrow.
okay,
No problem.
okay. Thank you, thank you, thank
Okay, do that, then everybody. No problem.
you. Thank you.
Yes, Hussein.
Yeah. Uttam.
Yeah.
Okay, I completed this, so it looks interesting and it goes well. But the thing is, I have to download the Python, right? Then only
Correct.
I'll be able to do it.
Correct. But for
Or
this Google Colab, once you open a
yeah,
Google Colab, for Google Colab, you don't need to download Python or the Jupyter notebook. No need to download for that. But only for Google Colab. But yes, in general, that will talk about tomorrow. Yes, for that you need that. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Because
why I was surprised how I'm able to do it.
no need. So Google Colab is a web-based framework. Yeah, it this will run with the help of internet, right? Without internet, Google Colab will not run, isn't it? But
Yeah.
that VS Code and all which we downloaded, that is a system based. It's not internet based.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Yes. Yes, Wasim, sorry. Yeah.
And these files, these are auto saved in Google Colab.
Auto save it will be, but yeah, that will be better. Just click on Control S. That will be saved better than that.
Yeah. And next day when we open, so this file with this name will be there. In
Will
Google
be
Colab.
there. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the beauty of Google Colab. Na? If you forgot it, go to the drive, you will find the file. You should not be search it more.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Praveen.
Mr. Uttam, as you said,
Uh-huh.
there is complex numbers. How could we run complex numbers in the code?
Complex
Like,
numbers.
yeah,
So there is
example
a
a
function
plus.
directly. There is a function complex. complex. There is a
Okay.
function
So
complex. Using it, you can do it.
no,
Right.
I mean you said like D equal to C equal to 8.3. When we mention a type C, it will give you float. Same like that we can get for complex also.
No, 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 no. For that, there is a function complex. If you wanted to write in Python a complex number, there is a function complex.
No, I understand
That
that one. What you mean
Mhm.
here, we practice like now C equal to 8.3
Uh-huh.
example. Then you
Uh-huh.
mention C, type C, it will give you
Uh-huh.
float.
Correct.
Same way for complex numbers also we can get same way.
Ah, yes, 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 correct, yes. We
Could you tell
will
me that one?
try it out. So everybody, if you able to complete that part, so maybe try with the different examples. Yeah, different examples. Maybe write something else here, something else here, something else here. Anything. Just write it anything. Hmm? Do it more.
Yeah, did it, sir, and it's quite interesting and amazing. First time getting a interface in this, liking it.
Definitely, definitely. It's things as I mentioned. So you should be just focus for that 3 hours, and definitely you will be able to understand the things, right?
Yeah.
That's great. People are getting it. Okay. Okay. So I believe let's wait. Some people are doing it. Let's wait to complete them. Till then, you can try with the different examples, right? And let's wait till then.
Uh, Uttam?
Yes, Hussein. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just trying to do A equals to B plus 2I,
Mm-hmm.
and then I said type A.
Type what? Type
It's
what? Type I error something, right?
yes.
It will be because I is not defined.
Okay.
Why? As I mentioned, if you are writing, maybe I can write here, right? So you are saying you are writing like this. See this. You're writing like this. B is equal to 4,
A plus 2I.
okay, plus 2i.
Actually, I put B equals to A plus 2I.
Come again. So whatever it is, no problem. So whatever that value it will be, 4 plus 2i, there's an error here. Why? Because it is saying I is not defined. So this is how you cannot write complex numbers in Python. So there is a function complex function. In here, you can write, you have to write 4 comma 3 or 4 comma 5 and print B. Then it will write. See this? Can you see this? You cannot write 4 plus 5j. You need a you have to take help from complex function.
I think I
The J coming from
remember maybe
automatically.
I've learned this language somewhere.
Automatically, yes.
This is a part of engineering subject, Python?
Come again?
I remember. Is it a part of engineering subject, the Python language? Because I
Mm,
remember that I have learned somewhere, but I'm not able to recollect.
yeah, that might be. Yeah, it's a part of it. Yes, that's also, yeah, it is. Hmm. Do it more. Do it more. Take more examples. Try take those things because today we don't have multiple things. In a single day, we'll not multiple things for sure. So it's the first time, first lecture because of that. So maybe you will be comfortable more, isn't it? That is why I'm giving you time to do it more than and do that. No problem. Do it.
This is a picture of a mango. This is a picture of grapes. This is a picture of a strawberry. That's right, let's try it again. This is a picture of a strawberry. This is a picture of a mango. This is a picture of grapes.
So,
Yes, yes, Hussein.
hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Go
Now I tried b equals to complex within bracket 3 comma minus 2. Again, it's
Mm-hmm.
giving error.
Show me. Maybe share your screen. I'll help you.
One minute.
Yeah, keep share your screen maybe.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm trying to do it for you. Can you see my screen now?
Not now.
Can you see my screen?
I can see now. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to write b equals to complex 3 comma minus 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Run anyway. Ooh, it's running.
So what does that mean? Run away.
Come again.
It was giving some kind of a message, run away. What does that mean?
Because you did not create this Google Colab. This is my Google Colab, which I just shared, right? And you're trying to
Okay.
edit that Google Colab. That was the pop-up coming.
Okay.
So this Google Colab, you have not created it, right?
No.
This is something I've shared because of that, showing you that. It's not it's what it was in warning only.
Just a general question. How this
Uh-huh.
Python is going to help to do, I think it's going to help us to do an AI creation or AI, artificial intelligence. But eventually, is it a part of my, I'm just asking from my perspective that
Mhm.
do I have to do this?
For analytics part, I guess you are from?
Yes.
Yes, it will
For
be.
decision making, for
Hmm.
decision making and driving, collecting, like somebody's going to collect. I have a data, complete data, right,
Mhm.
from
Mhm.
my team, and is I'm going to use a Python to
I
do
will
this
tell you.
job, or somebody will do
Yes.
it for me,
No.
or
So
do I
it
need to
depends
understand the
basically.
basic?
I'll tell you. It depends on that basically. Why for your analytics part, as you mentioned, this Python will be required for you. Why? I will tell you. See, you know that Excel, right? The same job what you are doing here, you can do it Excel. But Excel have limitations. You cannot go more than 10 lakh records. If you go more than that, it will hang. Okay. More advancement of Excel, that is SQL. Maybe you heard about. At
Yes.
the same time, we have Python. Why we are using Python? Python is for, as you mentioned, to make decisions faster. Because you have, for example, 10 crores of data and you want to process it. You want to do changes in your data. You want to apply a logic to clean a data. At that time, for decision making and all, you need Python. You need any
So
of programming language, right?
yeah, basically, even if you have a smaller data and you wanted to apply a logic,
Mm-hmm.
this will Python will help me to understand the logic of that data, right?
Yes,
That is my purpose, right?
correct. It
And
is.
I
Yes.
have to learn that.
Yes, you're right.
Does it make sense?
Yes, definitely, definitely. It's not required only for the large data set, but yes, if you have a
Even
small
smaller.
data set and a logic build, if you want to build a logic, some visuals also, and to make a decisions better, yes, using Python you can do it easily and fast.
Okay.
Yes.
Just an example, I have an overhead cost
Mm-hmm.
for my organization.
Uh-huh.
And it's given in Excel. There is a budget, there's an actual. there is a profit margin sheet financial guys share with us. There is a statement which comes and which tells you, okay, this is in a positive, out of budget, below budget, or we are within budget. It's automatically giving me on Excel. So how does this will Python or artificial intelligence AI will help me
Okay.
to do it
For
differently
that,
than that?
not actually different, but yes, you have to build it once. That means in Python, if you want to do some predictions, as you mentioned, some analysis, so you have to create a functions in Python. You have to apply artificial intelligence models, techniques. You have to build it once. Then tomorrow, if a data will come to you, you have to upload data there only and click on a button. Python will do all the job for you within a second. It means you
Got
have
it.
to create it once.
So you have to make a format, I will say, and where you keep
Yes.
uploading the data and you
Yeah,
get
it
the
will work.
results. Instead of
Yes.
putting my mind, I get the
Instead of
results
instead
which
of you should not be, open the Python. You will create a one framework. You will create a one UI. You
framework.
will create a
Exactly.
website, right? Then
Okay.
upload the data. It will do the job for you. Everything,
Uh,
whether
I think
in
eventually,
the data and all.
when we,
Hmm.
yeah, when we go forward, I would love to see that. I'll try to give a file to you, and I would like to see how does it help us
Will do for sure. In the
in
coming
future.
future, no
Yeah.
problem, for sure.
But to be honest, you're very good instructor. You're very clear the way you're teaching, and I'm really impressed.
Thank you
To be
so much,
honest.
Anand. Thank you so much. Okay. Anything else from anybody? Yeah. Anyone? Or you can say people are still doing it. Fine, fine. Okay. I believe, as I mentioned, we'll not go much on this more than that. So we have some time now. Do one thing. If you have do it, try to do it more examples. Is it? Explain more examples, do it more, and then if you have a doubt or something, let me know then.
Yeah, hi Uttam. You're there.
Yes, Subir. Yes, yes. I'm here.
I just wanted to understand, like, I mean, we will end up in 10 minutes, I believe, right?
Yes, yes, yes. People are trying to do that thing. Yes, we will let them
Oh,
do.
okay, cool, cool, fair enough.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Come again, Mujib.
Done the exercise which you
You
have.
had done that one. Okay, so let's just wait rest people to do it, and if they have a doubt or something, otherwise we are good for the today. No new thing we'll talk about today. Okay, and the agenda for that we have that is we have been
And
completing.
I also print this complex thing also, sir. It's working.
Okay, great.
Suppose
It's
if we
working.
have assigned a if we assign a variable to complex and then if we
Correct.
type that variable, it
Great.
will give back to the complex. I
Great.
mean, type data type.
So, Uttam, can I leave then if there's
Yes, yes, you
nothing new?
can. No new thing. Yes, we can.
What,
We can.
then tomorrow again the same time, 7:30 to 10:30?
For sure. For sure. Yes.
Okay, so it's 2 days class, right? Sunday
Yes.
and Saturday
Yes. Yes. Correct.
every week. Okay,
Yes.
got it. Thank
Sir,
you.
one thing I just want to know in this Google, what is the name?
Collab. Hmm.
Collab. Yes, sir. How can we suppose there are different codes we are returning on the different box? So how can we save these codes
Just
in a file?
so click on a control save, control S button. It will, this entire Google Colab file will be stored in your Google Drive. Is it? But if you
We
want
cannot save into our physical drive, our drive.
in your local system,
Yes, sir.
yes, you can share your screen and I'll let you know. Do
Okay,
you
I
need
will share.
to study more books regarding Python? So Wasim, the thing which I will tell you that is more than sufficient. You should not be go more than that. But if you want, you can do it. No problem. But yes, that is more than sufficient to learn in Python regarding data science and analytics.
So we shall mainly concentrate on the lectures.
Yes, yes. No need
Uh,
for that because we'll talk about that part.
yeah, Wasim, one more
Okay.
thing. Also, you'll be getting the pre-recorded lectures in your LMS. You can also refer those things.
Okay. Thank you.
And plus one-on-one, mentoring we have. You know the average time, right? 10 minutes. Unless and until it is not 1 o'clock in India, right?
Yes, yes.
Correct.
Yes, Mujib, go ahead, share screen.
So
Yes,
this
I can see.
is I done. So now how could I
Go
save
to the
into
file
our?
option. Left hand side, there's an option left file.
Okay, okay. Wait, sir.
Go there.
Okay.
Download
This
button.
is Achal.
At last, at last.
Okay.
There are two options.
Which
Click
one?
anyone. IPYNB. Click on IPYNB or PY. Both are same. Right?
Okay, okay. This is
Now it is downloaded in your
and
local system.
okay. And suppose if I will okay. And
Yes.
because this is I think notepad type. Okay.
Yes.
So if I can I mean type any code on the notepad, can I run on this collab?
You can. You can. If the indentation is correct, yes, you can.
Okay. But it will be performed in same way, like it will first compile, I mean, check the code and then it will give the error if there is, and then it will run, right?
Yes.
In same way. Okay, okay, okay. Because this is new. Okay.
Okay. Anything else from anyone? No, I guess. Okay, believe I guess. So, guys, if there is no such doubts, if you have a doubt or something, let me know. Otherwise, we are good for today, right? So, please do that practice. Definitely, we'll try to meet it tomorrow at the same time. Yeah, everyone.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
Last question.
Mhm.
Suppose, sir, if we are having some issue, suppose after studying we have some issue, so how can we reach to you in the session, or after the session, how can we reach to you?
Yeah, Subir, maybe.
Yeah, I will come to that point. I hope, Mr. Mujib, you have a one-on-one mentoring also.
No, no, sir. I'm just saying that suppose if I am after this class, suppose I run this practical, and while executing the
That's what
practicals,
exactly. I mean,
I
once you have any issue, you can always mention into the group, um,
okay.
into the
This
personal group, like one-on-one mentoring. Everyone has, right? Sudeep to Varda Khan, everyone do have, Mr. Reddy, right? Even you have
in
Mr.
the
Mujib.
same group which we are receiving
No, no,
the
no,
this.
no. You're receiving in this, but you have a personal mentorship group also, right? Ajay, can
Okay.
you please send a hi message to Mr. Mujib one in the personal 101?
Sure, sir, sure.
Just mention a hi message. Hello, sir. You can mention that so
Mhm.
that Mr. Mujib can know that that's actually personal 101 group wherein you can utilize. The best part is that
Okay.
we do not have a turnaround time of 12 to 48 hours. Mainly majority of
Mhm.
the, I don't want to demean any other companies, but majority of the people do have 12 to 24 hours. Our
Okay, sir. Okay.
turnaround time is around 10 minutes, which
Okay.
before it was at least around 3 or 4 hours, or which I have made it to 10 minutes, so that then and there you can always clear your doubt always.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But
Thank you
the
very
only
much.
thing is that yes, Indian IST time, because obviously the shift timing of Ajay and Bhushan starts at around 12 o'clock to
Mhm.
what time you guys are there, Ajay? 12 to 10:30, right?
Correct, sir.
Right, 12:30 to Indian 10:30. So, in case you want to
Okay.
book a session, you can always do that in between
No
that.
problem. Not an issue. Not an issue.
Perfect, sounds good. And in case you're not able to reach, uh, I actually be there in the North American market also. So what I will do is that I would be there. I mean, I believe Mr. Wasim, I have always addressed you, right? When the people are not there, right?
Yes, yes, already,
Yeah,
always
even at
note
1 or 2 o'clock, I have mentioned you and high
Yes,
message whenever you have given. And
yes,
one
yes.
best thing is that I have installed my WhatsApp web on my business number. I have a personal number also, that is a different my number, but I have a WhatsApp business number which I've installed in my laptop. And so that immediately in case I get a message, I give it on an instant basis because it get popped up in my system. And I'm there, always there to monitor the group. No other team members are there. I'm there eventually, to be very frank. Plus
Okay.
my
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Plus, my other team members are there. Fine. All right. And one more thing, I would say that I'm so sorry, Mr. Uttam, I'm taking your time.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you. So, what I would say that I'm sure that we are into the LinkedIn, everyone, right? Give a thumbs up. Who is not there in LinkedIn? Then I would say that. I hope that no one is there in this group who are not in LinkedIn. Okay, cool, fair enough. So the people who has left out also, I would also ask them to check the recording. Uh, I'm trying to build up a community in LinkedIn with your group. So every group I would be making the same community, but yes, uh, I'm planning to interact with the every community. I'm going to make join the every community. The other the other folks who are there in the other group also, even I will add up them also. So I believe that's a very good idea, because so that we can always connect with our own peers. Correct? I believe we agree with that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Good, fair enough. So people who do not have my LinkedIn ID, can someone share my LinkedIn ID? Take an initiative and share my LinkedIn ID, please, in the WhatsApp chat. Sorry, in the chat of this Google Meet. Come on, 10 seconds. Who can share my LinkedIn ID? Who's there with me? Oh, cool,
Shared.
fair enough. Mr. Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. All right, this is my LinkedIn ID. You can always, send me a connection request. Do not send me a follow-up request, please, because I have disabled my follow-up. I do not get any pop-up. Send me a connection request so that I can create a LinkedIn, what I call a community group also. All right, sounds good. Fair enough.
Yes, sir.
Cool, fair enough. Yes, Mr. Uttam, please go ahead.
So anything else from anybody? Any doubt or something? Let me know, everyone.
Yeah, sure, sir. We will be working on that codes and everything. So in case any doubt, I hope I
For
will be
sure.
coming up with
For
that doubt tomorrow maybe.
Yes, sounds good. So guys, do one thing. If there is no such doubt and all that stuff, so do the thing, whatever we talked about today, do the practice. And I believe you will be able to understand the things in more tomorrow also when we come up. But yes, tomorrow's thing will be more interesting also if you're able to understand the today's things, whatever we talked about. So yes, if there is no such kind of doubts today, let's try to wind up and let's meet tomorrow then, everyone. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, cool then, everybody. Yeah. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye,
Take
sir.
care.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank you.
everyone. And please check the
Bye-bye.
recording, please.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Uttam.
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Vasan. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Who else are there? And thank you, Sudeep, to each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mukul sir. Thank you. Thank you, Madan sir. Left out
Yes,
everyone.
sir. Which kind of request you are saying in that LinkedIn?
Okay, do not actually send me this one, what I call a follow. A lot of people, they do a
Okay.
follow. I would
Yes,
say
yes. Then
try to send me a request, a connection request,
connection request. Okay, okay.
because that can actually help me out. Because people randomly can
Uh,
follow. I do not actually entertain. So that's the reason I have disabled.
Okay.
But for
Okay,
with
I
you
will
people,
send.
you are the family members, right? That is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
My first family is you all guys, right? I am working for around 14, 15 hours. So obviously, you can understand that, right? Isn't it?
Okay. Yes,
So
yes.
I believe that is the only reason I'm saying you can send me a connection request. You guys are very much important for us also. That is the reason. Got it?
Okay.
All right then. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishnamurthy.
Okay.
Thank you so much, each and everyone. Thank you, Mr. Reddy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is it Akbar is there, by the way?
Thank you, Sabir.
Okay. I have actually forgot to introduce Akbar. Just remind me, Mr. Reddy, tomorrow, please.
Yeah, okay.
Akbar Khan. So I will ask him to give his introduction also. Thank you. Thank you so much for being.
Oh, oh, okay.